Hello students, today we will discuss celebrating festivals, the chapter from class 3 book Our Wondrous World. So, first let us meet Rishi. Phaidingke chengtini norokni third chapter, class 3 ni third chapter celebrating festival chengtini discuss khailene. Hingke cheng puilano Rishi o jagao cheng puilano Rishi by malalene do. Rishi hingke oroni main character hani manu. Okay? Rishi is from Jammu. Rishi hingke bo Jammu ni belong khayo. Norok yang saito map onugi mano bo jaga Jammu. Jammu hingke India ni northern part o kaisa union territory wo khobjago. Okay? He is traveling to the Himalayas with his parents. Bobo jaga thangi tong Himalaya o thangi tongo bini parents by. Parents hingka hingke sabo bini buma tai bufa by bo Himalaya o thangi tongo. He is going to visit his mama and mommy. Mama hingke sabo mother's brother. Buma ni bini brother hingke tam klai cheng mama klayo na. Mommy hingke sabo mama ni bihikno cheng mami nungu. His cousins Chia and Nonika lived there. Hingke tai bini cousin khorok ni tongo bini mungke Chia tai Nonika. They lived in a small village near the mountains. Mountain gana ni kaisa small kaisa chikon kami o borok tongo do. Hingke jeng nai lenai next damo. Rishi's journey began hene ango jagao heading rekha do. Bini journey start ang khatabuk jeng nai lenai. Rishi and his parents are traveling by bus. Rishi tai bini parents borok bahai ke thangi tonglai traveling by bus. Borok bus by ke thangi tonglayo. He is enjoying the bus ride. Bo bus o belai ke tong thok jak do. Bus ni tai lam tei je view belai no nai thotok ni shao. The routes have hairpin turns ni shao. Inke routes rok nga hingke tamo hairpin haingi tongo turn hairpin turn hingke tamo ekdom kokoi mokoi. Hada hairpin haingi tongo abo belai ke kokoi mokoi routes ni shao. The hills are covered with colorful flowers. Hingke a hills rock. A hatai rock belai ke colorful flowers by covered khaisa khani shao belai ke nai thotok hill rogo nai nai khanke khum nai thok ke barjak ekdom pura hill cover khaijak ge busang nai thotok tong khana. Rishi can see many tall trees far away. Rishi botam nugiman belai no kolok kolok tall trees kolok kolok buphang nugimano haksal haksalo hongke bo kolok kolok buphang nugimano hni shao. Rishi and his family reached the bus stop near Mama and Mummy's village. Ibor boros hogi kya borok bus stop kaisa bini mama tai mami borok bo jaga thangi tong mani bin mama ni nogo thang tong mani na inge bong ni village gana ho kaisa bus stop tongo acha ga hogi ka hani shau borok. They got down from the bus. Borok bus ni ongkhor ka mama ji was there to receive them. Inge bong ni mama ji bin mama borok no receive khaina bagai borok no lam sogna bagai aja ga nasingi tongo. They started walking on a broad concrete road. Okay, borok kaisa concrete road tei kaham lama tei borok thangi tongkha. The road became a narrow mud path closer to the house. Thangte thangte kotor road ni kotor lama ni concrete lama ni thangte thangte borok jefru bong ni nok gana sogei ting fru ke lama botai sa chikon rek ni phaikapo. Engke tai harpe ganang lama rok angai phaire rakha hani shaudo. As they entered the main gate, Rishi saw colorful flowers in the garden. Jefru borok main gate os hogi kahke Rishi botam nukha colorful flowers in the garden. Engke bong ni garden ok bang ma naithok colorful khum bo nukha hani shau. He could recognize rose, marigold and hibiscus. Bo kaini kaitham khum rok no hingke bo sini ka hani shau. Rose rock, gulab rock, chotrabongo rock, tai hibiscus hingke tamo joba khum rok hingke bo sini ka hani shau. The other flowers looked very beautiful and new to him. They kaisa khum gao belai ke nai thok. แต่บ่บินทานี้กตาลคุมบ่บ่ว่าชะปนนุยาคุนี่ก็บ่ตามสากา Rishi asked his cousin Nonika, please can you tell me the name of these flowers? Bosangka Nonika, bini cousin Nonika no. Nengano kisa o khum ni mung no saida mano. Rishi pointed to a flower in the garden. Bo a khum no funugai bo bini cousin Nonika no sangka. Nengano o khum ni mung no kisa saida mano. Nonika told him this flower is a tulip. Nonika tam saka o khum hingke tamo tulip khum. Rishi learned a new flower name. Rishi kasak ketal khum ni mung no bo srengka. Simon kabo bini bagai abo akhum kasak ketal khum tong mani do. Mommy called the children for lunch. Bin mommy afroke jefru boro garden o khum rong nai tong laika phaike no. Hingke tam khaika bin mommy borong no lunch ni bagai ring horka. Lunch hingke tamo diborni chamung heda. Hingke borok lunch ni bagai bin mommy bono ring horka ni shao. They ate a Kashmiri dish called hak. Ni borok chamung tam chalaika Kashmiri dish aban bungke tamo hak. Hak hangke kasha traditional leafy vegetable dish ni shao do. Amo kasha hak ni meaning hangke green. Green mane chin kok bangke kekrang. Heda hangke hak abo kasha traditional vegetable dish hanjago Kashmir ni vegetable dish, okay? Hingke borok abo hot rice by chalai khane chao. Kutung mai by khlai nai borok a hak no chalai kha. Hingke the food was very tasty. Hingke a chamung bo belai khe thoka belai khe tasting khane chao. During lunch, Nonika said, "Do you know we have a Kashmir tulip festival at this time of the year?" Hingke Nonika botam ni saka lunch chamung diborni chamung chalaite Nonika saka. Nang saida man Kashmiro tulip festival ngo o jorao no khane chao. Every spring time o hingke tamang bongniaro kaisa Kashmiro tulip festival ngo hane chao. Ga kokno no Nonika Rishi no sai khna raka. Hingke phaide changoro koyekta question answer nai len do. From where did Rishi begin his journey? Puila question hingke tamo Rishi bobo jaga ni shimi bini journey chengkha hane shao. Rishi began his journey from Jammu. Ge bo Jammu ni shimi bini journey chengkha hane shao. Who did Rishi go to visit in the Himalayas? Himalaya wo Rishi sabono visit khaina thangi tong. He went to visit his mama, mommy and his cousins Chia and Nonika. Hingke bo Himalaya wo bin mama, bin mommy, tai bini cousins song, bin cousins ni bo kita mo Chia tai Nonika. Borok bai Malaina ni bagai borok no visit khaina bagai borok Himalaya wo thangi tong ne shauna. Next question hingke, how did Rishi travel to mama's village? Bo bahai ke travel khai ke hane shao. Ngeching thasingo nuk laika he traveled by bus. Yebo bus by travel khai ke hane shao na. Yang phari next question nai nelena, what did Rishi see from the bus window? Rishi bo bus ni window ni shimi bus ni tailam tei bo tam nohur ka hane shao. He saw beautiful views. Bo belai no nai to kaisa view nohur ka hane shao. Hills with colorful flowers. Hatai rok belai khe naithok khum bai kuplung. Hairpin roads kokoi mokoi lama rok bonukha and tall trees kolok bu phang rok bonugui man khane shao. Last question hingke, how do different places have different kind of food and flower? Jeng kabang ma juda jaga wo tangai juda chamung te juda khum rok tong hani shao do. Different places have different weather and soil, which help grow different plants and food. Juda jaga o tamang weather bo judango. Hingke aroni harok soil rok bo judango hani shao do. Hingke abo tamo kabang ma juda plants rok bu phang rok no torna ni grow ongna ni help khayo. Chini jeng je tabok Tripura o tongma o chini oro bu phang juda hingga jeng tawo jaga Jammu Himalaya ni kok sai tong layo hai da hingga jaga rogo kebang ma juda bupang tai khum rok jeng nugui mano hingga people in each region also have their own food habits hingga borok different region no bongni food habit bo juda ngo chini chamung rok bo juda jeng chamani juda tai kaisa state o thangka hingke aro bo juda chamung nai heda hingke jeng chamung rok bo juda chalayo hingke jeng aro bo nugui mankha borok ni hak je borok chalai mani na borok ni lunch borok tam chalai ka hak chalayo hingke jeng aborok chinoro hingke jeng asak saimaya abo hai dish bong ni kaisa traditional dish juda chini jemon jeng tamo gudok rok hingke chini traditional dish chakhai rok heda hingke jeng aborok belai ke thokjago gabo haino jeng Kashmir ni kaisa Kashmiri dish jeng ketalman kha chini chapter o abo hingke tamo hak hingke nor jotono bujibai khna hane ang kha khayo jotono hambai tinini bagai asuk nongkha hambai